5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in thrilling matchup between the Warriors and the Lakers. Warriors, abante ng 12, 102-90. Panoorin po natin, magandang laban to. First day of NBA season. Curry to Will Richards for 3. Kaboom! Will Richards, 3! Tumaas sa 15 ang hinahabol ng Lakers. Ito, Luka kontra Kaminga. Umatake si Luka. Kick out sa labas. Hachimura for 3. Kaboom! Rui Hachimura, 3! Baba sa 12 ang hinahabol ng Lakers. Podziemski. Foul. Offensive foul. Doncic kontra Kaminga. Pinupull court press. Doncic pa rin. Shake and bake. Umatake. Ops, walang mapuntan. Pinilit. Pasok yan para kay Luka Doncic. Baba sa 10 ang hinahabol ng Lakers. Curry kontra Vincent. Op, binigyan ng pick. Op, sinihilo. Pinasa kay Horford. Kontra Hachimura. Anticipated ni Reeves. Ito, counter attack. Ayton. Pasok yan. Baba sa 8 ang hinahabol ng Lakers. Good defense yun ha, para sa Lakers. Curry kontra Vincent. 4-3. Wala. Ito, pagkakataong tapyasin ng kalamangan. Reeves. Umatake na naman. Reverse layup. Pasok yan. Baba sa 6. Time out, Warriors. Ito po yung napakagandang reverse layup ni Austin Reeves. Ito, back to the ball game po tayo. 9-0 run yan ha. 1 minute and 22 seconds lang. Baba sa 6 ang hinahabol ng Lakers. Butler to Green. Ikot ang bola kay Butler kontra Doncic. Green, wide open look. Kaboom! Draymond Green, 3! Angat sa Siyam ang abante ng Warriors. Doncic to Reeves. Kinukulit ni Podziemski. Biglang tumira. Foul. Ito, yung wide open look ni Draymond. Walang gustong bumantay. Pasok yan. At ito naman, yung atake ni Reeves na may foul. First throw. Mintes. Second throw. Pasok. Baba sa 8 ang inahabol ng Lakers.
Last year, 17th in the NBA defensive rating, 10th in points allowed per game.
Ito, Butler to Green. To Curry kontra Doncic. Ops. Shake and bake move din. Step back 3. Wala. Rebound. Hachimura. Ito na kay Reeves. Pwedeng ibaba na naman ang kalamangan. Doncic kontra Podziemski. Dumobol team. Kick out kay Vincent. Burado ni Curry ha. Ito, yung napakagandang block ni Curry. Butler kontra Doncic. Butler umatake. Ops, pumeke. Reverse layup. Pasok yan. Angat sa 10 ang abante ng Warriors. Hachimura to Reeves. Reeves, aatake na naman. Magpapasabit, sumabit nga. Ito, yung magandang atake ni Jimmy Boy Butler. Ganda ng fake, oh. Sabay easy layup. First throw, pasok. Second throw, pasok ulit. Baba sa 8 ang hinahabol ng Lakers. Butler kontra Doncic na naman.
He's sparkling.
He is sparkling.
He's a shining star.
Butler, wide open lane. Foul.
I like this right unorthodox.
Eto,
You have Steph setting
yung magandang
the
drive
screen.
ni Butler, biglang nawala yung bantay.
Butler then sees
May
that.
foul.
Sees Butler.
First throw.
And Grant, that was
Pasok.
something where they had Green talk in years past when they were dominant. They were so mobile.
Second throw.
And now with this
Pasok
offseason
ulit.
training camp, they feel like
Balik sa
they've seen
10.
so many different
Ang
looks,
kalamangan ng
things that
Warriors.
people haven't seen on tape before.
Sa kabila naman ko, Kuminga versus Doncic. Reeves kontra GP2 for 3. Kaboom! Austin Reeves 3! Baba sa 7 ang hinahabol ng Lakers. Butler kontra Doncic na pa rin. Paborito nilang matchup. Curry to Butler to GP2, easy layup. Angat sa siyam ang lamang ng Warriors. Austin Reeves to Hachimura to Doncic. Doncic
on the attack for 2 more.
mid-range, pasok yan.
Golden State,
Baba sa 7 ang hinahabol ng Lakers.
minute 18 and ticking.
Foul.
Foul's gonna be called on Luka Doncic.
Ito yung magandang play ni Curry to Butler to easy layup by GP2. Curry kontra Vincent. Dinoble team to Draymond. To Butler for 3. Wala. Rebound Kuminga. Sinungket. Eto si Butler. Aatake na naman. Nilabas. To GP2. To Curry. Biglang tumira from the parking lot. Kaboom! Stephen Curry. 3! Eto. Night-night na raw. Austin Reeves kontra GP2. Umatake. Pasok rin. Baba sa 8 ang hinahabol ng Lakers. Curry, kinukulit. Foul. Eto, yung bigla na lang naisipan ni Steph na tumira from the parking lot. Pasok yan. First throw, pasok.
The big shot is needed.
Second throw,
Has got you covered.
pasok uli yan. Time out.
Has less of a load with this balanced team here
Smart.
for the Warriors.
To Doncic for 3.
No.
Wala.
Rebound. And now just a 12-second difference.
Eto, mag-uubos na lang ng oras ang Golden State dito. Titira pa ba? Mukhang hindi na.
Impressive performance.
Congratulations
for Golden State.
Sa Golden State Warriors.
25.
At sa mga Lakers naman, bawi na lang tayo next game. Wala pa si Lolo Bron dyan.
Necessary down the stretch.
And they did. And this is huge. A divisional opponent. You never know the tiebreaker situation in a very tough Western Conference. So to come in here on the road, get this win.
At ayun na nga po, mukhang hindi na talaga rin titira ang Lakers. Congratulations Warriors! Sa mga nagustuhan po itong video natin, please follow. Sa mga tumataya po ng sports betting, nasa comment section. At sa mga mahilig po manood ng sports, nasa comment section din. Maraming salamat po.